on out here with all of these bags. So y'all, we gonna keep it. Then I seen the ground pork, so I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna use 1/2 of it. My husband definitely, he prefers the butter. If they get hungry, they're gonna eat one of these pieces in the meantime, in between time, ones that they already come with. So this one is the avocado ranch and the chipotle cheddars. And then I have 2 of the lemons. They're in the bag somewhere. We got some butter because we need some for the house, and for the cookout dishes I bought 2. Okay, some lightly breaded chicken nuggets, some whipped cream. That's going to be for the banana pudding. Vanilla wafers. I picked up 2 boxes. These are the family size boxes. This was a pineapple. So I'm gonna slice that up and, you know, put that right there with the water. And then the Cheetos. And then I also bought these to go with their sandwich. So if they decide. And I'm mad, y'all. I just realized this dang on bread got squished on it.